Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious croaker fish. It tastes so delicious and yummy. So let's get started. Here I have my big croaker fish. Do you see how big this fish is? It is massive. So I'm going to wash the fish twice, but I've washed it before, kept it in the freezer for 1 week, so that's why I'm rewashing it to be on the safe side.
My brother, I love my husband, Continental food ndoma ndi na muzi yesi ni chai ebi ga muta yesi ni nwele ngabasi yo Mrs. Joy ni nwelo ya
After washing the fish, next with a kitchen towel, I pat the fish dry to dry up the excess moisture.
Tobandi Continental food iga muta kesi ni toluto wokeji afoyebu.
After cleaning the fish and the fish is pat dry, the next step is to create an incision so that when you're going to rub the marinade, it's going to penetrate into the fish.
Want to learn how to make a presidential cake. Continental food is the best. Home and abroad, they are the best.
To marinate the croaker fish, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. 1 large onion, red bell pepper 1, green bell pepper 1, and 3 spring onion. I'm also going to use 1.5 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of dry thyme, and half a teaspoon of salt. All the list of all the ingredients is going to be in the description box, so please check that out. I'm also going to use garlic and ginger paste. Also going to use Scotch bonnet, the green one, just to add some heat. Vegetable oil. I washed the pepper, onion, cut into medium size, transferred to a food processor. You can also use the blender. Next, I'm transferring the curry powder, chicken seasoning, thyme, salt, transferring to the blender. After that, I add the garlic and ginger paste because I want to blend everything together so that they will marry together. After that, I add the vegetable oil, just about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Cover and blend until it is a smooth blend, but you can also use your blender if that's what you have. After blending, this is what it looks like. I would suggest you use your blender if you want a smooth blend because the food processor did not blend it smooth. So next, I apply to the fish and make sure the fish is covered with the marinade. That is what is going to take your croaker fish to the next level. You can also use this marinade to make another fish. It doesn't have to be croaker fish. It tastes delicious in any fish. And when you're rubbing the marinade, do not forget to rub on the cavity. Make sure that the in and the out of the fish is covered with the marinade. That is what is going to take your fish to another level. And if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment, let me know if you're going to try this recipe. Also share this video with your friends and family so that they will learn new recipe. Thank you. Once the fish is covered with the marinade, next I line my baking tray with parchment paper, then transfer the fish to the baking tray. After that, I transfer to a preheated oven 200 degrees Celsius and bake the fish 30 to 35 minutes until it turns golden brown. Remember to use the setting where the heat is up and down. After baking for 35 minutes, this is the finished product. Look at this beautiful, yummy croaker fish. Golden brown, yummy, delicious. You can have this with a side sauce. I have a sauce, but I'm going to show you how I made the sauce. So I have my pan in a medium heat. To that, I'm adding the remaining marinade. Fry it for 5 minutes. That is it. Very simple. You don't need to add any other ingredients. All the ingredients are there and it's rich in flavor. Just fry it for 5 minutes. Another way is to heat it up in your microwave for at least 8 minutes and you are done. Voila. So this is how I achieve the sauce. To eat this fish, you can have the sauce by the side or just apply it on top of the fish. Make sure it's covered with the fish and enjoy your croaker fish. Yummy, delicious. As I said before, you can use this marinade for any fish of your choice. To eat this croaker fish that is delicious and yummy, you can pair it with your jollof rice, pair it with your white rice, fry yam, boil yam, fried plantain. I had mine with fried yam, but I had to eat off camera to enjoy myself. Let me know in the comment section, are you going to repeat this recipe? And if you're going to do, what are you going to eat or what are you going to pair your croaker fish with? Is it yam, plantain? Write it down in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please feel free and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Leave your comment and share this video with your friends and family. I love you all and I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.